What if there was a free or almost free way to boost your confidence as a hypnotist, get you more clients, and really get you moving on? Now, this is especially good for new hypnotists and for hypnotists that just want to take their hypnosis sessions to the next level. In fact, their whole business to the next level. After all, who wouldn't like to have more confidence, more skill, and more clients? If you want those things, stay tuned for this video all the way to the end because I'm going to show you the way. Where did this come from? It came from me working with graduates in my course and helping them to actually get going, to make that leap from classroom to clients. This will work for anyone who's had excellent hypnosis training. All right, what I call this is feel-good sessions. Feel-good sessions. Feel-good sessions are free. You're not working on any issues, but the net result is you get the opportunity to work with low-stress situations. This is especially interesting to people who are just getting started. Oh, I remember when I first got started, I was very scared. I was very nervous. I wish I would have known about this back then. So here's the deal. What I want you to do is start putting out everywhere this message. A lot of you don't know, but I am a professional hypnotist. That's right, a certified hypnosis professional. And the other day, I was reminded that one of my obligations in the profession is to educate the public about hypnosis. And my mentor, he recommended that one of the things I do is just offer some free feel-good sessions to the public just for the purpose of helping people have the positive experience. And then maybe they would share that experience with other people. That hypnosis is safe, it feels great, and it's effective. I made an obligation to myself to do just like a couple of these a month. So I'm putting it out here so that if you're interested in having a positive experience with hypnosis, what I call a feel-good session, and that's the object. When you get done with this session, you're going to feel so good, so great that I think you're going to want to tell people about it. Now, let me tell you what, there is no hook, there is no obligation, there's nothing. My only purpose here is to help get some positive information out there into the community about how good hypnosis is. That's right, no hook, no obligation. I just want to hypnotize some people so that they can feel really good. All right, so you get that message out. One way or the other, it could be on Facebook or any of the social media things, any organization that you belong to, any kind of organization that you belong to, online or in person, even classes that you take. I have one student of mine who is a long-term member of a yoga class, and he starts sending out that message to everyone with a business card. And guess what? He started getting feel-good sessions and, oh my, real clients. Yes, that is a side effect of what we do. Let me just see. I got my checklist here. I don't want to miss a thing. All right, let's go over this step by step. Number one, I want you to remember that you are not working on any issue. You should get paid if you're helping clients with a particular issue. This is a feel-good session. All right, this is really easy, really simple. What you're going to do is you'll schedule that person for an appointment. And when they come in, I want you to now do everything you learned in class. Now, you should have learned that hypnosis is a process, and you should take a systematic approach to it like the 5 Pathers do. Okay, let's get started and dig in. What I want you to do, now this will work if you've had excellent training. You must have excellent training, and excellent training would teach you that there is a certain course that you need to go through in your first session. So like you need to do what? You need to look professional. Your environment needs to be professional, be that a physical office or like I have my virtual office with a picture in the background, whatever, because hypnosis is a confidence game. In my previous video, I talked about what's the secret? Confidence, confidence, confidence. Go back and watch that if you haven't seen it. So there you are. I'm presuming you are a well-trained hypnotist, that you know what to do. And then what you do is you get that person in and you're going to greet them, you're going to be professional, and then you need to provide them with a really good pre-talk. Now, where sometimes people mess up is when they do these sessions, which are free sessions, they don't do everything that they would do with a normal session. See, here is one of the real reasons you want to do these feel-good sessions, because it gives you a very low stress opportunity to practice everything you learned in class. That's right. Or at least how to greet, how to do a pre-talk, how to do an induction, deepening, hypnotic suggestion, all that. It is a low stress environment because this is a free session. It's not like they paid you $100, $200, $300 to get a result. Also, you're not working on anything. Your only job is to make them feel good and have a positive experience with hypnosis. So one of the things that these free feel-good sessions do is they give you the chance to go through your entire process with somebody at a lowest possible level of stress. The other thing is you get a chance, hopefully with some people that are not family members or friends, what you're going to be able to do is you're going to be able to do hypnosis and gain confidence by actually hypnotizing someone that's not your mother, father, sister, brother, cousin, and so on. All right. Now, next, the most important thing is they've got to feel good. So let me check my list. Number one, you need to use a really great hypnotic induction. If you're not happy with your induction or it takes too long, what I want to recommend is you go to 5pathinduction.com. I'll leave the link below. 5pathinduction.com. It's a rapid induction, takes people into a deep flow of hypnosis. It's so short that it would fit on like one sheet of paper and super effective. All the 5-pathers around the world use it. All right, so pre-talk, hypnotic induction, deepening. Oh, let me tell you something special about the 5-path induction is that it has a built-in test for deep hypnosis. Yes, the 5-path induction is designed to take your client into deep hypnosis and secretly test, that's also called covert testing, secretly test them for a deep level of hypnosis. Awesome. Now, all 5-pathers learn that. And what they also do is they learn something that's huge, and that is to do a convincer. And a convincer is a hypnotic test that you do that you know they're going to pass. So, for example, if you take them to stage 4 hypnosis or deeper, 4, 5, 6, some threshold of somnambulism or profound somnambulism, and then you give a little tiny test for the lightest level of hypnosis like eye lock, magical stuff happens. They become confident in hypnosis. They become confident in you as being an excellent hypnotist. And probably more important, they believe that they can do it. So you want to hypnotize them, deepen them, covertly test them. And if you don't know how to do that, then, watch the previous video. Now, here's the important thing. What I want you to do is once you've shown them that they're in hypnosis, give them suggestions for feeling wonderful. Okay, now you could look one up on the internet, or you may have got one in class. I created one just to go with this video. And so I'm going to put the link down below here. It's probably farther down on the sheet. And it's going to be a link to a feel-good happiness and confidence script. It's short, and if it's too short for you, that's okay. You can repeat parts of it over and over again until you have spent the amount of time you want with that person. Now, here's where the magic happens. You're going to be so glad you made it this far into the video. Okay. You do not want this success to be secret. What you want to do, now you've already told them that the purpose of this is to educate the public on how good hypnosis feels and how it's safe and how it's effective, right? So after you get done with the induction and the deepening and then giving them the script for hypnosis, you want to emerge them. And when they open their eyes, I want you to say, and you do feel good, don't you? And they'll go, oh gosh, that was so good. Good. Tell me all about it. What did you like about it? What did you like best about it? And then what you're going to do is you're going to pull out your clipboard and you're going to start taking notes like crazy. This is important. You take notes. Oh, she loved this. She loved that. Oh, this was great. Surprised because of this. And you write it down and you go, awesome. That's good. Let me read this back to you. So this, and this, right? Good. Beautiful. Hey, here's the magic sauce right here. Hey, as I mentioned, I was doing this to help educate the public on hypnosis. Now, you don't have to do this. Don't have to do it, but if you did, it would be awesome. It helps the public and it helps me. And I just wrote down what you said. If I emailed that to you with a couple of links, like to Google reviews or Yelp or whatever it is in your country, if you're in another country, right? Would you mind either cut and pasting what you said into that as a review or write up whatever you think is right? All right. All right. Beautiful. Thank you. Now, what's going to happen is a number of things. Very smart to do this is one, you've got a happy person that loves hypnosis. If they've got something that they want to work on, who are they going to think of first? Probably 30%, maybe more, according to the feedback from my students that do this, actually want to go on to do sessions or refer a family member or friend to you. That's awesome. Now, the other thing that happens is you are now more confident. Your skills are better. You've boosted your skills, you've boosted your confidence, and you've maybe even boosted your income and how solid your business is. All right, so this is a great way to do it. All right, if you found that useful, please give me a like or share. It helps me get this message out and help more hypnotists, and that's really what I want to do. And also, if you would like to really get some excellent, over the top, really good hypnosis training and become a part of one of the most dedicated, motivated, caring hypnosis communities in the universe. All right, go to calbanyan.com, look at my course schedule. Right now, as I'm making this video, I've got 2 dates scheduled, April 28th through May 4th, that's 2024, and another one coming up September 8th through the 14th, 2024. Okay, more courses are being scheduled. I might be able to squeeze one more in this year. I don't know. If you're watching this at a later time, go to calbanyan.com and check my schedule. Now, here's the big thing. As much as $500 off my course for early registration. And as the date gets closer, the early registration discount gets less and less and less. Okay, so what did you think about this video? Leave a comment. If you've got an idea about something you'd like me to cover in the future, leave a comment. And also, that's it. I'm done. I hope you have a great day. This is Cal Banyan signing off.